Nigerian democracy is at its worst for a long time now, thanks to the APC. Welcome to JNJ Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. I remain your only Mike Udenta. This is a breaking news. In Edo State, the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, his deputy, and his entire APC structure are set to join the PDP, says the APC chairman in Edo. The chairman of PDP, that is the People Democratic Party in Edo State, Tony Ezeagame, has declared that Godwin Obaseki and all his loyalists were set to join the party. Recall that the governor of Edo State was seen in Port Harcourt visiting Wike. Also recall that he was seen in Akwa Ibom visiting Udoma, who showed the former governor Godswill Akpabio, who is the master in that state. He said the governor's deputy, Philip Shaibu, and all Progressive Congress chapter will also hold effect. The party leader made this disclosure in an interview he granted to the News Agency of Nigeria, in which JNJ Media was part of. This happened in Benin City this evening. Ezeagame said his deputy and the entire APC structure in the state will join PDP very soon. The chairman disclosed that they will and they have been in touch in the last couple of days since he was disqualified by Oshomole and his gangs in APC. Ezeagame assured that by Tuesday, that is by tomorrow, he would be able to confirm the exact date he, Obaseki, will be joining the party along with his team. He also added that he was not aware that the governor has obtained their party card. We quote, "I can also say that there is no automatic ticket in offering for him at all. That means he will join others to contest." Now, the question that begs us is, you see, this Nigerian politics, when we say this thing people don't understand, is so dirty that a sitting governor, because of his disagreement with a party chairman, the one who had praised him before to high heavens, is now the one obstructing him from getting re-elected. It's getting interesting in Benin, and that is Edo State. Get your popcorn. This rough fight in Edo State will be televised. I am Mike Udenta.